So here I have my portable winch, and I'm making a redirect from that small tree over there, so I can pull all the trunks, stems up there, and a redirect here, because the further down I go, I will get trouble with the stone and the rope. So I'm going to pull it up, then take it off here and pull it over. Second tree of the day. It's a dead popple, and I have made a rope up in it on a redirect, so I'm gonna sell it right here, so I don't have to pull all up of the hill.